In this video, I'll show you how to most bet online income in Nepal. Like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So after creating your account in Nepal, the next thing they have to do is to come over and choose the income bet that you want to bet and earn. So for instance, you come over to sport and choose pre-games. So you can go to see all the pre-games that are available to you that you can bet on and get an income. So for instance, if you choose several bets, for instance, you choose bets like this and click on add come, you are going to come over here and bet. So for instance, in this accumulator, if you bet $10, you can get a possible income of 491 if you win. And that's how to get most bet income in Nepal. Like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful.